A short review on TD Ameritrade Mobile application or the website Thinkorswim. As you can see, this is the App Store preview of the application that is mainly a stock exchange application in where you can simply trade in stock, crypto, ETF, and many other options. As you can see that this is the App Store preview of the main application I'm going to show you right now. So let's read out all the review related to this app or software available on the App Store or other different website. Now, as you can see in the account section on the top gear icon to start your accounts to customize account screen. So this is a new update on this application. Let's scroll down and show you the review system here. So there is 326.7k ratings here and most of them are 5-star. As you can see, the all over review that is rating above 4.7. Also, you can get detailed review things about in the section on the App Store or any available website where the application is available. You can go and read the review from there. Now, the information is just mentioned here. You can verify it. And yes, it's a good application to try out. Thanks so much for watching this video.